Welcome to the Motus Nova Hand Controller. Before we begin, it's important to understand what this device looks like when correctly worn on your affected arm. This is our ultimate goal. But do not try to put the device on all the way right now, because we are going to walk you through step by step. With your device set on the table, let's take a moment to understand the individual parts that make up the Motus Hand Controller. There are three major sections of the Motus Nova Hand Controller that you should remember. There is the hand section, the arm section, and the forearm strap. With your device set on the table, unwrap the forearm straps. Only unwrap one side of the forearm straps, as this will make it easier for you. With that done, unwrap the front hand straps, lift up the hand cover from the device. The screws on the hand section of the device should be loose. Now it's time to place the device on your arm. Lift up the device with your unaffected hand. Now extend your affected arm between the bars in the hand section of the device. Make sure that the device is on top of the arm. With your arm extended through the device, place your hand on the hand pad. Make sure that the base of the pad is at least touching the top of your palm. Your fingers should usually extend past the pad. The arm of the device should be resting comfortably on your forearm. Pay special attention to where the hand meets the pad. Notice how the fingers go into the sections of the hand pad and uncurl gently when they make contact. The pads of the palm should be touching the bottom of the hand section. The thumb should rest comfortably under the hand pad. Once the device is properly aligned, it's time to strap your hand into the device. Lower the top of the hand section of the device onto your fingers. Now it is time to fold down the velcro straps so that they are comfortably but firmly in the device. Remember that this connection needs to be as snug as possible without being restrictive. But it is imperative that your hand is unable to slip out of the device. When the device is comfortably on your arm, it is important to make sure that the wrist of your affected hand is aligned with the axis of rotation on the device. You may need to adjust the position of the hand section to facilitate this. After your wrists are properly aligned, tighten the screws on the hand section to make sure it does not slip out. Here it is from another angle. It's important that the hand section fits on the hand without sliding off. Once your hand is properly strapped in, it's time to use the forearm strap to secure your arm to the device. The forearm strap should already be attached to the arm of the device. Grab the remaining two straps and bring them around your forearm. These straps are made with stretchy material that can fit any sized arm. Feel free to set your arm on a surface if necessary. You have successfully equipped the Motus Nova Hand Controller for use. Here's the motion that the device will guide your hand in. The hand controller can be used comfortably in many different positions. You can rest your arm on a chair arm or a table edge. You can rest your arm across your lap while seated. You can also use a controller on top of a pillow. Remember that our games can be played in any position that you find comfortable.